Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. And in this video, I will show you how to refund out of stock goods on 1688 Chinese shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, just like so. Having opened up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, go ahead and click on your profile icon. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here, check out the product. So I have this particular product right here, and I'm going to use this as an example on how to simply refund out of stock goods on 1688 and get your money back instantly. So next thing we want to do is to go ahead and we click on here. And the next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on here. Lastly, we go ahead and click on here. And the refund will be successful, just like what you see right here. Lastly, I will go ahead and click on here to close this pop-up. By the time I refresh here, the product will no longer be found right here. If I click on here to go back to my profile and I refresh, you can see the product is no longer right here. Lastly, we can go ahead and track our refund progress in our Alipay. I'm going to exit from my 1688 right here, then proceed with my Alipay app. I'm going to open up my Alipay app right here. After open up my Alipay app, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and make sure I proceed. So you can see a notification of inflow in my Alipay just now. So go ahead and click on your chat box right here in Alipay. Then you are here. So you can see right here 1688 refund notice of 30 yuan successfully credited back to my Alipay account. It's that simple. So this is how to refund out of stock goods on 1688 without any stress. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to ship and import products from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.